All right, everybody, today we're going to practice dividing by taking out groups of 100. Previously, we were doing this by taking out groups of 10. Now we're going to start by taking out groups of 100. Okay? The first step is we need to figure out in hundreds, how many hundreds can we take out of 1,575? So let's try 6 times 100. That's 600. Can we get closer to 1,575 than that? Let's try it. What's 6 times 200? That's 1,200. That's pretty darn close. If we try 6 times 300, that gives us 1,800, and that is too big. We want to use this one. So 6 times 200 equals 1,200. Now if we subtract that, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we got to figure out is how many groups of 10 can we take out to get us close to 375? Well, we know that 6 times 10 would be 60. We know that 6 times 20 would be 120. We know 6 times 30 would be 180. So let's start there. We can get closer than that. Let's try 6 times 40. That's 24. Add up. That looks like a 9. 24, add the 0. What if we tried 6 times 50? 6 times 5 is 30. Add the 0. We're getting closer. 6 times 60 equals 36. Add the 0. That's pretty darn close. We're going to use that. So 6 times 60 is going to be 360. Then we subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, 6 times something is going to get us close to 15. Well, we know our multiplication facts. We know that 6 times 2 equals 12. So 6 times 2 equals 12. We subtract that, we get 3. We cannot take any groups of 6 out of 3 because 3 is smaller, so we know 3 is going to be our remainder. So we come to the top here, we're going to add all 3 of those up. We get 262. Then I can't forget about our remainder of 3. There we go. Hope this helps. Good luck.